Exploration 1 on page 766. A gallon of water is divided equally and poured into teacups. Find the amount in each teacup and the total amount in all teacups. So the first amount of teacups we're given is we start with 10 teacups. So to find out how much is in each teacup, we take our 1 gallon of water and we divide it up into 10 equal portions, and we get that there's 1/10 of a gallon in each teacup. But in total, we still have 1 gallon of water. The next example asks us to use 100 teacups. So this time we're taking our 1 gallon of water and we're dividing it into 100 parts. So that's 1/100th of a gallon of water per cup. But again, our total is still that 1 gallon. And then next, we're going to get much, much bigger. So next, we're going to use 1 billion teacups. So we're going to take our 1 gallon and we're going to divide it into 1 billion parts. And when we do that, we get 1 billionth. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1. Oops, gallons per cup. So we're getting successively bigger, and as you see that, the amount in each teacup is getting very, very small very quickly. But we still had 1 billion teacups, so we still have, I think I'm missing 3 zeros here. Yeah, there we go. So let me fix that. That's only 1 millionth. I need some more zeros. We still have our 1 gallon total because we have 1 billion cups, so they're there. So they're all there, so we're going to still have 1 gallon of water when we're done. All right, so now, what if we have an infinite number of cups? How do we write that? That's where the limit notation comes in. So if we want to find out how much is in each teacup, we're going to use this limit. So we take our 1 gallon of water and we're going to divide it by the number of teacups. Now, infinity isn't a number. It's kind of like a destination. So as n is getting larger and larger, and you think of 1 over n as a function and think what the horizontal asymptote would be, because we're heading towards incredibly large x's, this function is going to head towards 0 at very, very large x's. So if we have an infinite number of teacups, there is no water in each teacup. They're empty. They would seem empty. But when we put them back together, when we take the number of teacups and multiply it times the amount in each cup, for very, very large number of cups, what we're going to find is that this is going to become the limit as n approaches infinity of n over n, which is the limit as n approaches infinity of 1. That is 1. So we still have our gallon of water total, even though each individual teacup seems like there's nothing in it.